Dog is the only animal on the planet we don't ask for consent. राह चलते कुत्ता, ओए बेबी। अब लोग रेप्टाइल्स भी रखते हैं। मैं कल बोलूँ ये तो सांप ही तो है। कान की यहाँ पे नीचे तुम रोटेट करो, दे विल रिलैक्स। प्लेट से मत खिलाओ, अल्टीमेटम दे देता हूँ। आपने 3 साल 4 साल काट दिए डॉग के, मेरे को कॉल मत करना, वेट के पास जाके भागना।
Hello guys, welcome back to the Priyam Show, a show where you learn business and personal growth. जैसा कि आप सब जानते ही हैं, I am the founder of Paws India, a premium brand of pet products. And today we have Akash Shukla with us, India's top canine behaviorist, a creator and a guide to lakhs of pet parents. Hello Akash, we're so glad to have you on the show.
Thank you, Priyam, for having me here.
We've been trying for a very long time actually to have you on the show, but you've been really busy. So Akash, you and I, we work in the same field, which is dogs and cats, right? And pets are a huge part of our life right now and our community. Let's start with how did you actually figure out that becoming a canine behaviorist is actually a profession and something that you can do for your life and something that will make you money. So tell me a little bit about how you actually started and got into this profession.
So actually, all of this started almost 13 and a half years back. And back then, I never even thought that this is going to turn into a profession.
Yeah.
Dog mantra is going to happen. It was just that I had rescued a puppy.
Okay.
An indie puppy, Sweetie naam tha uska. And she would not step out of the house because she had a trauma. वो एक्सीडेंट हुआ था तो पैर पे लगा तो थोड़ा सा
Started
पॉज
getting
हो जाता
scared.
बट शी गॉट सुपर स्कैर्ड
Yeah.
so then I tried a couple of trainers back then which we knew and it didn't work out and both were two extremes. एक only positive technique था जहाँ पे we couldn't understand certain aspects and she was not willing to take food, so there was no going beyond the food because there was no drive. And other one was like ये पीछे से डंडे से थोड़ा थोड़ा उसको just to give her a little
The old school
jerk.
way.
The too old school, the too modernized way.
Yeah.
I was not able to find the balance.
Okay.
And then we were told नहीं आपका तो individual building है उस ऊपर आपके terrace पे agility वगैरह बनाते ये करते वो करते and then we were told put her on Prozac when she would be too stressed or something. We were like यार अभी तो 6 महीने की बच्ची है वो उसको दवाई अभी से खिलाना शुरू कर दे. There's a long life.
That took stuff that calming medicines.
Calming medicines and legit antidepressants.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
even something like
Yeah,
ashwagandha या वैसा
Yeah.
आयुर्वेदिक नहीं. Yeah. So that didn't work out and I think sometimes this universe happens. I was not looking for it. I was at my cousin's place and we were just scrolling through videos of most aggressive breeds क्योंकि तभी शौक था डॉग के ब्रीड स्टडी करो क्या क्या है क्या चल रहा है. तो every YouTube video used to talk about top 10, top 5 and one video came across me which was back then Cesar Millan was quite in the trend also in both sides, controversy on both sides but
Yeah.
there was most aggressive breed का एक segment था उनके तभी के शो का and we were like again हाँ इसमें भी 3 dogs दिखाए इनके बारे में बोलेगा लास्ट में बोलेगा कौन है टॉप पे and we were like as usual Pitbull is gonna be
Pitbull,
number 1.
Rottweiler, yeah.
Because there was a German Shepherd, there was a Rottweiler, there was a Pitbull. ये 3 cases उन्होंने दिखाए थे. And at the end, this guy just comes out and everyone is talking about we have to train the dog, we have to train the dog, we have to train the dog.
Yeah.
This man just steps out and he says there is no dog who is aggressive, no breed is aggressive and the human needs training. That's when the whole idea of, what we need to work as people, how we need to understand their minds. Then I came across, कि पैक कैसे वर्क करता है, पैक ड्राइव कैसे वर्क करता है. 1 साल मैंने पूरा रिसर्च में डाल दिया and then I got my other dog. उसके बेसिस पे and I selected him for the personality that I wanted along with Sweetie. So then they gelled well. उसके साथ मैंने आगे के 6 महीने बिताए and within 1 year and a half, she started stepping out. Now our community being a small community, right? बाहर लेके जाओ तो you can imagine this fellow and there is this tiny. She was a small sized indie, तो वो ऐसे रेंगती थी तो ऐसे लगेगा कि मतलब टॉर्चर हो रहा है. And then all of a sudden she's walking with another dog and back then what I used to do is उसका लीश मेरे लैब जो लकी उसका नाम था उसके गले पे लगा देता था.
Okay.
She was very sensitive.
Yeah.
तो साउंड से मेन रोड ही है साइड में वॉकिंग ट्रैक है बट रिस्क था बट ही वुड वॉक. तो उसके लगा दिया और मैं चल रहा हूँ ये मेरे साथ चल रहे दोनों. तो पीपल स्टार्टेड अप्रोचिंग हाउ डिड यू डू इट व्हाट डिड यू डू क्या किया. तो वहाँ पे सबका कॉमन इशू तो वही रहता है वॉकिंग अ डॉग. दैट्स वेयर आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट हेल्प देम आउट एंड आई वाज लाइक अच्छा समथिंग फन. देन आई हैड माय समर ब्रेक. स्कूल ख़त्म हुआ था आई थिंक तभी एंड कॉलेज के पहले वाले ब्रेक में started helping out NGOs एक स्टेप आगे बढ़ते गया. It was back in the mind कि I need to do something about it. But because back then pet industry was not such a big boom.
Yeah.
अभी भी behavior is not a regulated industry in India. We are trying, we are pushing hard कि कुछ उसके बारे में भी हो अभी फिलहाल के situation में. But slowly, gradually, I formed a brand नहीं बोलूँगा, but एक page on Facebook called Aggressive Dogs. And I started taking cases, pro bono
aggressive
लेता था.
dogs.
हाँ, aggressive dogs ले लिया क्योंकि NGOs से मैंने बहुत experience gain किया वो 2 साल में. Then college happened, did my management. Corporate का मेरा placement हो गया था management training program में and lockdown लग गया.
Oh, wow.
So I had like approximately eight odd years का experience plus I had a lot of content. So my nani was also stuck with us in the house. पहले 2-3 महीने क्या थे हमें Netflix and chill.
Yeah, yeah.
She was like you're whiling away your time. क्या कर रहा है? बैठ के वो dogs का जो करता था उसका कुछ डाल Instagram पे because that time TikTok भी ban किया था.
Yeah, and Instagram was so
And
like,
Instagram
trending.
was it was trending. And I started creating content through that. उस पे videos डालना शुरू कर दिया. थोड़ा वापस से local इसमें I started coming into the limelight. नाम change किया because I was advised कि aggressive dogs थोड़ा सा
It's a negative.
negative हो जाता है
Yeah.
तो find another name. तो वो करके again by then also I didn't give any thought कि I would make it into a full-time profession. But then it picked up. I started taking online cases because the need was there. People wanted, and because of my experience and the whole idea of human training, the online sessions worked. Even today, we give sessions pan India and across the globe also. So वहाँ से फिर शुरुआत हो गई, and I think within a year 2021 में I decided that
You
now
wanna
I'm
take
going
this
to,
up full time.
then I'm going to take it up full time, and then we got hardcore into the content creation game and the sessions and seminars, workshops, and then rest is going on.